Kanishk, I love the confidence that you bring to everything that you do. I love how you have the ability to unhesitatingly ask for what you want. I love that you are so much yourself in every way, and I love your inner strength and assurance, which I sometimes feel I lack. I love the many ways in which we are so different and therefore complementary. I love how underneath all the things that you are, you also have deep reserves of tenderness, generosity, and care. You are full of sweetness and loyalty, and you have a beautiful heart. I once read something that described marriage as two people being a witness to each other's lives. For what else do we want but someone to know us, remember our stories, to bear witness to everything that we are? So I promise to be the witness of your days until we're so old and gray that today will feel like a dream. I promise to stand by you, to be the keeper of your secrets, to be the one you recognize as home, to hold your heart with all the love in mind.
You are the best part. I can't
Kid,
imagine anything better.
from the first time we met, I knew you were beautiful, generous, intelligent, and self-assured. Especially when you brought Molly to our first date. Over the years, you've always given yourself to me with kindness and tenderness. Regardless of the miles that separated us for the majority of our relationship, your ability and desire to ensure we maintained the momentum, intrigue, and passion bridged the gap as we navigated a period of constant change. Now, we approach this with surety, stability, and confidence in the permanence of our relationship. I will love and cherish you when we are together, and I'll also do the same when we are apart. I vow to support your dreams, no matter how crazy they are. I'll respect our differences, knowing that they're the ones that bind us together. As I said on our 6th date, I will marry you one day. And since then, the question from you back to me has been, when will it be? Today is the beginning of the rest of our lives, and I choose to spend today and all of our tomorrows with you.
The stars are all watching, you shining brighter than them.